Hi there, students. Lassitude. Lassitude is a noun, both countable and uncountable. Okay, lassitude means lethargy, lack of energy. When you're tired, you're fatigued. Yeah, you don't have any desire to do anything. You're just absolutely knackered. So, lassitude, physical or mental tiredness. Um, you go, maybe by the time Saturday arrives, you are suffering from lassitude after such a horribly difficult and hard week. So notice, lassitude can be mental. Yeah, if I give 8 classes in a row, then I'm going to suffer from lassitude afterwards. Blah. Yeah, you know exactly what we mean by lassitude when you want to just lie on the sofa all day. Yeah, a feeling of weariness. You're tired. Yeah, you're listless. You don't have any energy. Yeah, you're weary. Yeah, it's okay. So you can feel lassitude because the weather is really hot. Yeah, there's some sort of torpor. You're semi-comatose. Yeah, you're sluggish. Yeah, headitude as well. Wow, that's a good word. Okay, so lassitude, languor, lifelessness. One of the symptoms of anemia, lack of iron, is fatigue and lassitude. Yeah, you're just not alert. You don't really care. Yeah, you're just, yeah. So if it's really hot, I definitely suffer from lassitude when it's really hot. Yeah. Okay. So you're weary. You feel weak. Yeah. The patient complained of headaches and lassitude. He didn't have the energy or the spirit or the interest to do anything. Yeah, he gave up to an overpowering lassitude and lay on the sofa all day watching television. Yeah, so if you're burned out, you suffer from lassitude. You're exhausted, you're frazzled. Yeah, you're weary. Okay, so yeah, you're just lethargic. It's like you're in a stupor. Yeah. Um, my lassitude was such that I couldn't even be bothered to get off the sofa to go to the fridge, even though I was hungry. Yeah, many drugs cause lassitude among the people who take them. Yeah, so a listlessness. Yeah, you don't really feel like doing anything. So, next question, formality. This sounds really literary. If you use lassitude, not latitude, lassitude in an informal conversation, I think many native speakers are going to go, what? And what does that mean? So, yeah, laziness, tiredness, fatigue, knackered, shattered, as I did before. Would be much better informally. Use lassitude for a descriptive essay, something semi-formal or very formal, yeah? And then let's see the origin. It comes from Latin through French lassitude, which works, and then Latin lassitudio, weariness or faintness, faint and weary. Okay, so yeah, such was my lassitude that I could not even open my eyes. So there you go, a good word for you. It's a fairly unusual choice. It would be a good one for your essays. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lassitude. Yeah, we all suffer from lassitude from time to time.